Good morning, traders. Ingela Trainer here, bringing you the Nasdaq Insights for the Asia trading room. And particularly, you can use it across any of the sessions because I'm going to be looking at the larger charts. But I just wanted to quickly have a look and just let you guys know about my first trade leading into yesterday's session. Paid in the fastest amount of time I have ever been paid in. It was actually within 1 second. So I generally record my trades under 1 minute, just as 1 minute, but that was pretty cool to see that. Just I blinked and it paid. So that was very, very cool. Anyway, let's have a quick look. I mean, overall, the Asia session has been doing extremely well. A couple of very positive weeks that we've had, and these are just my results with my trades, not inclusive of all the 101 patterns that have all gone and paid too. I actually haven't had any 101 patterns that haven't paid as yet over the last few weeks that I have been recording those as well. So with regard to, I've had one loss, which was this week on Monday, minus 23, and that was a trade that actually did eventually go to target, but it was, I have my trailing stop loss come up as I normally do. So that's how I reduce my risk mid-trade. And I'm very happy that, I mean, obviously not happy with the loss, but that is how I reduce my risk. And I'd rather continue with that and risk the element of being stopped out of a trade that goes to profit. But that's the way the cookie crumbles. I'd rather have a reduced risk on my trades. So let's have a quick look at the larger charts. Some great stuff. Want to look first at the weekly. We're nearly at the end of the week. You can see through here my daily dark blue fib levels, because you can see with this week's current candle has stopped dead on the 90 on the daily chart. So I've just got that coming through here, because otherwise, if you didn't see that, you'd be kind of thinking, okay, the market's failing there somewhere, but what is it at? It hasn't actually come down yet to the weekly 50 fib. Or any of the other price levels as yet. So we still need to obviously wait till the end of today's data to analyze the weekly chart, but I still like to observe things as the week goes on. Okay, daily chart, the 1440 minute, we can see that quite clearly where the market has failed at that 90 daily fib from the price retracement from that range up, inclusive of the new tinier little higher there, or the all-time high we can call it. Market sold off. We have now had the market retracing upward today, giving a higher high finally that I can draw my leg up. Yesterday, I was expecting that the market would probably make a higher high. It was a bullish candle. We were observing the support here on the lower side at this 76 on the daily chart. So now that we have a higher high, I can actually draw fib retracements on the way down. Might actually just quickly do that now. Otherwise, and we're not really anywhere near anything that exciting at the moment, so I'll leave them off until later. Looking then briefly at the 240, which is the 4-hour chart. There it is. Okay, so we've had the market fail. You can see very clearly the market is honoring the daily fibs here. It's hugging the daily 61.8. The market sold off. Then we've created a higher high and sold off again, closing an ABC pattern short. So I'll quickly fill in my leg stepping there. Then from that low where the market failed at the 4-hour 161, which is like with what happened across here with the candles bodies, failing at the 161. Then the market turned up again towards the MDI, broke the step. So the step is up, the trend is still down. Now we could put on some fib retracements as the market's moving up across here. And we can see that the market has pushed over the 76, and is holding above that at the moment. So again, nothing really that important I need to bring across right now to make the charts too busy. Let's just look at the 60-minute briefly before I sign off. We have got an ABC that closed long, closed into the daily 61.8. So that enabled me to put on my price extensions and to the high side, which we haven't really, we were failing a little bit at that 75, but it's quite a large extension up. So I can pop on that fib retracements of the price or the trend down. And we can see the market stalling there at the 76, but we're up above that right now. So how does that translate to the 5-minute chart? We are likely to have continued movement to the high side. But let's remember, we need to trade what we see, not what we think. So we need to then drill down to those smaller charts, which we'll do all together with the members in the Asia room. So guys, have a wonderful day. We've already got a higher high on the daily chart. So we'll probably see a little bit more upward movement before we continue down, because actually I'll just bring you back to this before I finish off. We are with that push up on the daily chart. We're setting up for an ABC pattern short. All right, guys, have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. See you next week. Bye for now.